Welcome to the video on the syllabus of Chem 139.
Hello, and welcome to Chem 139 for the spring of 2021. I am looking forward to working with you this semester to help you find success in the course.
Okay, so if we delve into the syllabus just a little bit for Chem 139, we will meet on Tuesday and Thursday from 1:10 to 2:25 in, Smith Hall. That was the old room. We got a new room and it's GAC 133. It's actually GAC 131. It is correct on the syllabus posted on Moodle. I am Dr. Amber Charleboy. My office is in Peckham Hall on the second floor in 234. My pronouns are she, her, and hers. There's my office phone number if you need to get a hold of me, and my email. My student office hours are Monday from 11 to 12, Tuesday from 9:30 to 10:30, Wednesday from 12:30 to 1:30, and by appointment as well. But I wanted to tell you about something new that I'm doing this semester. I have carved out this half an hour every week specifically for you, which is going to be a weekly review for the class. It'll be a Zoom review. So pop in and bring all of your questions. So I'm hoping that that's a very active time where you can be asking questions outside of class. Okay, so the course description, this is a prerequisite for general chemistry. And for some of you also, it's the science requirement for your program. So here are the learning objectives. If you want to peek at those at some point. On the first day of class, we'll talk a little bit about why we need to take this class. There's our statement of respect and diversity. Here again are my Zoom office hours. So the way that you're going to schedule a Zoom office hour is through my Google Calendar. So you can follow this link right here. And that's actually your first assignment, is to make it an office hour appointment with me and come visit me. And then you can tell me a joke too. That's what I want. Here's the weekly review meetings that I just talked about. That's always going to be dedicated completely to you every Thursday from 12:30 to 1. Each lecture, I will have some pre-lecture videos posted, and often I will have a Moodle quiz that goes along with that. My Moodle quizzes are going to primarily be due on Wednesday night, but sometimes you will find a small one that's due also on Monday night. The textbook for this course is a free open access textbook. It's shown here. You can follow that link and go ahead and grab it. We will, however, need to purchase Alex online homework. There's a whole separate sheet dedicated to this Alex registration in the Moodle site right under the syllabus. So you can check that out if you want. And here is our class code. So you're going to need to say that it's Chem 139 and that we have that code right there highlighted in the gray. And you have to have a scientific calculator. As a matter of fact, I'd like you all to email me right now and tell me the name and model number of the calculator that you'll be bringing to class. As a matter of fact, take a picture of it and send it to me. I want to know what calculator everybody's bringing to class. Attendance is required for this class. So you're expected to attend every class and remain in class the full time. This is an important time for you to learn and understand the concepts. So please come to class. Please do your own work. I do not tolerate plagiarism or cheating. I really, really want you to learn this material. And so I really want you to do your own work. Then on the exam, you'll have the experience. If you copy, you don't get the experience of doing that work. If you work with the Office of Student Accessibility Services and you need special or different or any kind of accommodation, please let me know as soon as possible so that I can make that happen for you so that you can find success. Please let me know if there's any religious holidays that will require accommodations. Okay, how are you going to get your grade? Here's how it breaks down. There's an online homework system called Alex, which is definitely extremely helpful, but it can be frustrating at times. That's 20% of your grade. So each topic, you'll have an Alex assignment. You'll go in. If you get the question right, it'll keep going forward and forward and forward. And then once you get one wrong, then it brings you back so that you have to redo the stuff to make sure that you're ready to go forward. You don't get points taken off for not getting things right. So it's really a very safe place for you to be able to learn and grow and get confidence in the subject. Please take those deadlines seriously. Otherwise, at the end of the semester, there's going to be a crazy amount of energy that has to go in. Participation, attendance, and homework are 10%. So participation is based on asking and answering questions in class and working productively in your group or team, doing the problems during our problem solving session. Attendance will be taken both in class and in workshop, and that's part of this grade as well. Homework will include problem sets both within the slide packets and additional assignments. So basically, if I say in class, this is due next class period, or if I say in the pre-lecture video, This page is due the next time we meet. That's how you'll know what's due. I will try to remember to put those things on Moodle, but sometimes I won't be able to. Use the pre-lecture videos and class to know what's due the next class. It'll generally be pretty straightforward. Moodle quizzes are 10%. The Moodle quizzes can include stuff right from that pre-lab video or from the previous class or from the previous video. So Moodle quizzes are going to be due mostly on Wednesday nights, although sometimes on Monday nights. That's in lieu of having in-class quizzes because I want to spend our time together really problem solving and understanding the topics. So 10% of your grade is going to be these videos that you make for me and send to me through Flipgrid or one-on-one meetings that you have with me. Throughout the semester, I will require you to create a video and or meet with me one-on-one in Zoom to explain, and that says organic chemistry. I found another mistake. I do the same thing in my organic class. So you don't have to explain an organic one. You just have to explain some concept that we're talking about in class. I will assign the topics, and your first assignment is during the first 2 weeks of the semester. Please meet with me one-on-one using my Google Calendar during my Zoom office hours and tell me a joke. Chemistry jokes are appreciated. Then you have 4 exams and a final, each worth 10%. They'll be in class. They'll be multiple choice, short answer, and problems. You have to go to workshop. So workshop, you're already registered for either Monday or Tuesday night from 6 to 7 p.m. This is a required part of the course. This is going to be an extra problem solving session for you. These sessions are going to be held by Eva Lyko. She is amazing. I think you'll find her extremely helpful. If you get an 85% on the first exam, then you are exempt from going to the workshop. I highly recommend that you keep going, but you do not have to go if you get an 85%. If you take the second exam and your average falls below 85%, then you're required to go back again. My thoughts for your success in this class will be directly related to the amount of time and effort you invest. You should plan on spending at least 6 hours up to 12 hours per week working on this class in addition to the time that you're in class with me. During those hours, you can be reading, listening to, and interacting with the videos that I post, or with the Khan Academy videos that I suggest, or working on your Alex homework, or attending workshop, or reviewing the class discussion notes, or working on the problem sets. So there's lots of opportunities for you to get the work done, to get that time in. It is expected that you will arrive to class prepared to actively participate. Please come see me if you have any problems or issues with any of this stuff. My suggestions to help you find success: keep up with the work on a daily basis. Spend time doing chemistry every single day. Maybe plan on doing Alex for a half an hour every day, even if we don't have class, even if you don't have workshop. Learn and understand. Don't just memorize. I will show you how to understand so that you don't have to memorize. Come to class, pay attention, and participate. Go to workshop each week and participate, and do as many practice problems as you can get your hands on. Practice, practice, practice. That is what is going to help you find success. Just to reiterate, my grading scheme is here. So we have Alex is 20%, participation, attendance, homework, 10%, Moodle quizzes, 10%, videos and one-on-one meetings, 10%, exam 1, 2, 3, 4, and the final are 10% each. Here's my breakdown for grades, and here is the breakdown of what I anticipate that we'll be covering each day in class. So the first day of class, we're going to have an introduction to the course. We're going to work on using our scientific calculator, and we'll have a math review, order of operations, and that kind of thing. The second class, we're going to be talking about scientific notation, significant figures. If you look in Moodle right now, you'll see that there's a video on scientific notation, a video on significant figures. There's also the first PowerPoint slide deck that has scientific notation, sig figs, and metric system. I will give you details about workshop and when we're going to start workshop and all that stuff during the first day of class. I might just want to mention that this is going to sneak up pretty fast. Our first exam is on Thursday, the 3rd week of class. So on February 18th, Thursday, will be exam 1. And it'll cover all of this material right here. Okay, awesome. Best of luck, and I can't wait to meet you on Tuesday. See you soon.